sorry. What's her name? Lisa.
Did you accidentally drop your doll?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, bonk!
I broke my knee last night.
Yeah?
You see my knee? It's hurting me.
Oh, goodness. I'm sorry. Do you want me to kiss it?
Don't kiss it with my jeans.
No, not with the jeans.
With my leg.
Okay.
Oh, you heard the puppy?
Yeah. I sure did. I sure did.
Go pet him.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh,
Go pet him.
okay. Well, we need to go find him.
Okay. Where does he go? Where is he?
I don't know.
Where is he? Where is he go? Where's the dog?
I don't know. We need to keep our eyes open. Keep looking for him, okay? Are you looking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where does he go? Ouch. I stepped on these leaves. Ever.
Oh, my goodness.
Hey, I keep on the grass.
Mm-hmm.
This is the street. And keep walking on the sidewalk.
Yep.
Okay, this is the street. Go over there. So this is the sidewalk. And walk.
Sounds good. You are correct.
Okay, those are the numbers.
That's right. Those are numbers.
And then more numbers. Those are more numbers. Okay?
Okay.
Those are
Thank you.
more numbers over there. Okay?
Okay.
Let's keep looking.
Thank you. I'm looking. What are we looking for?
See, Daisy, are you okay? Lady, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Hey! Hey!
What?
Hey! There's a car coming up here!
Yeah, that was a...
Those are scaring me. So every time.
The cars scare you every time?
Yeah.
Oh my...
Ever.
Okay, let's go up this hill.
Okay. Up this hill.
Yeah, watch out for all the rocks.
Those are all the rocks over here.
Yep.
Or I'm walking. Wow! Those are million rocks. Ever.
Is there millions of rocks ever?
Yeah. Walk on them.
Okay,
Walk on them.
I'll walk on them.
Whoa, we're walling. We're walking.
Uh-oh, here comes a car. Go over to the grass, okay?
Okay.
Go on. Go to the grass. Good job.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I mean a truck.
Yeah, that wasn't a car at all, was it? That was a truck.
That's not a car. That's a truck.
Yep, okay.
Somebody's getting out. The truck.
Okay, okay.
Somebody's done.
Hey, Punky, how old are you?
I'm 2.
And how many months?
I'm 2.
And 4 months.
4 months.
Yep. Let's see, July, August, September, October. Oh, 3 months.
Those are smelled
Almost.
like this.
Mhm.
Those are
They smell like what?
smells like mine.
Yeah.
Come smell them.
Come smell them? Okay. Mmm.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
That's your favorite, huh?
Hey, baby, it's over there. Let's go see this. Let's go see this.
Hey, you want to say bye-bye to the walking movie?